You see, they love you. The people that put together Big Brother, they already put Big Brother for TV for Namona watch. Big Brother. Now, this Big Brother, what does it solve in your life? The same people that put Big Brother, they can put Big Brother on TV in a way that young Nigerians will come on TV and talk about the problems of Nigeria. Talk about the solutions to the problems of Nigeria. We, the viewers, we will vote for the best solution. We will vote for the best solution. And also pressure the government to implement those solutions. Social media has that power today. We can put Big Brother on TV in such a way that is talking about the issues that are facing us. And it will still be exciting. Trust me. Imagine young Nigerians talking about their police experience on TV. Then discussing the ways that we can quell police brutality in this country. And we, the viewers, vote on those things. Or talk about child mortality. Talk about maternal mortality in this country. Our healthcare system, our bad roads. Talking about it, young people put on TV, but no, you put them there to shake their nyash, to be naked, to be having sex, to be doing nonsense. These are the people, and they're all there making money from it.